Okay, hello, this is a video tutorial in order to teach you how to install my my group's project on the Phyre engine. So what you should have is, excluding this, you should have Phyre engine, tutorials, the README and the report. And so what you should do now is open the README file, and it should look something like this, but obviously there will be a video tutorial here, which is what it's been recording now. So what you want to do is you want to go to this link and download the D3D11 file. Once you've done that, it should be here, and what you want to do is you want to open it up, put it to the side, go into the media file folder, and then drag and drop. Once you've done that, what you want to do, or what you've got now, is you've got the complete setup. So what I'm going to do now is just to make sure that you can see that this works. You can test this once you've done by going into the tools, open the file level editor, open and then navigate to media, file level, and open the custom level.proj. So just to show that this works, as you can see, you can move around, jump, and you can interact with objects in the game. So that's just to show that it works. You've got lighting, you've got particle effects, you've got basic collision, and you've got animation, got the custom character as well. You've got input controls. And the input controls, just for reference, G is for jump, or J. Then you've got forward, back, left, and right keys for movement. Okay, so now that that's done, what we're going to do is wait for this to close. Okay, so to install this, what you have to do is you have to navigate to your Phyre engine folder on your computer. So it's the wrong way around, sorry. So this is my Phyre engine. So the way that you install this is pretty simple. What you do is, after you've got the D3D11 in this, you basically just copy this and paste it, and it should override everything that it needs to. Now, once this is done, you will have two ways of playing the game. Obviously, the first I've just shown you through going through the tools to open the file level editor. I would recommend this above all else, but what you can also do is you can go into, and I'll just show in both, so you can go through the Phyre engine samples. You go Phyre engine samples, and there should be Scott Group app. Now, this won't work unless it's inside the Phyre engine, okay? And then what you can do is, if you can't get it to build, you can go to Scott Group app and you can click here. Now, this isn't exactly the same as the level built one, because there are, it's missing a few pieces of code to get the textures, and camera is different because it doesn't import the camera, but it does work somewhat. But if you can't get it to build from that, then what you can do is you can go into here. Now, if you want to run it from the Visual Studio file, then what you have to do is you have to change a few things to match your computer. So you have to make sure that it's running D3D11 debug, Windows 32 D3D11. You have to make sure that this matches up with your computer's Phyre engine directory. So for me, it's on the E drive. And you have to go, the XML should be fine. And then you must go to the project file in the Solution Explorer, right click and press Properties, and then you have to go to the VC++ directories, and you will need to set up the include paths, I think. Just check. You may have to set up the include paths. I'm not sure with this. I can't remember. But I do believe that as long as it's in the Phyre engine, you may not have to set up the paths. And so that's it. Thank you very much for watching.